Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to export just a selected table in Excel into PDF file without saving the entire sheet. It's super handy when you want to share or print a clean section of your data. So let's jump in. Let's select, for example, this second, and we can actually add a title here. We need to select the area we want to add to the PDF. Make sure your selection include headers and rows that you want into the PDF, and imagine this is your printing area. So we'll make sure that this whole section is printing to one page, which will be our PDF page. So I'll navigate to page layout and select print area. I'll set this as a print area. And also I want to see how many pages it looks like. So I'll go to view and page break preview. From here I can see we have 4 pages, so I'll make sure that this is in one. And we navigate to file, export. Here we have a create PDF section, so we'll click here. We'll select where to save it. I want to save it mine on the desktop, and we have some options. From the options, we need to select publish as selection, and we want one page. So we'll click OK and then click publish. I already have this file, so I'll replace it. Here's the result, a clean, nicely formatted PDF or just your table, perfect for sharing and printing. And that's it. Now you know how to easily export a selected table from Excel to PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next.